I'm going to steal someone's food.
When she arrived outside. Hey, that's my space crackers. Give that back.
Hey, that's my Cheetos. Give that back. Hey, that's my lemonade. Give that back.
Hey, I was gonna eat the dinosaur meat. Hey, that egg is mine.
Hey, get back here. The pizza is mine.
Hey, that water is mine.
You little bastard. That milk is mine.
Oh no you don't. Wendy Wolf, how dare you steal everyone's food? That's it. I'm calling your parents right now. Go home now.
No.
Later, after Alien called her parents when she got home.
Wendy Wolf, how dare you steal people's food? You know you are not allowed to do that at all. That's it. You are grounded for 48 years. Go to your room right now.